Jim, are you going to get your hands on a 45+ inch sturgeon today?
I think that's the plan. I would like to be able to do that and then also get into a 30-inch walleye as well.
And Jim, when you set the hook, what's the first thing that's going to pop into your head? What are you going to say?
Hello!
Hello! There's Jim Ernster. First sturgeon of the day. How's it feel, Jim?
There I was, back in the wild again, and I felt right at home, where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again, just like it happened so many times before.
Arm getting sore?
Yeah. The spirit of the woods is like an old good friend. Makes me feel warm and good inside. And I knew his name, and it was good to see him again. 'Cause in the wind
Let me hear you say hello.
Hello! Oh, Fred Bear, walk with me down the trails again. Take me back where I belong. Oh, Fred Bear, I'm glad to have you at my side, my friend. And I'll join you in the big hunt before too long. Before too long.
I'm gonna take a nap. Let me know when you're getting close. Where's it going?
It was kind of dark.
I think this is bigger than your 27 3/4 inch walleye.
And it came from a tangle down below.
He'll come back.
And I tried to remember everything you taught me so well. I had to decide which way to go. Was I alone or in a hunter's dream? 'Cause the moment of truth
Is it Slavosaurus?
Slavosaurus.
I felt his touch, I felt his guiding hand. The buck was mine forevermore. Because of Fred Bear, I'll walk down these trails again. Take me back where I belong. Fred Bear, I'm glad to have you at my side.
Is that worth the couple hour wait?
And I'll join you in the big hunt before too long.
These are outdoors adventures. Bringing you the hello on the water. Hello. We're gonna get that thing in here or what? That's a big one. That's good. Good help. I think we had a double going there because all my minnows were gone.
Sometimes you just gotta get away from it.
It's only been 10 minutes so far.
When we're in the great outdoors, we got his spirit, we got his soul.
No, imagine doing that in a walleye rod.
You got our arrows home. The restless spirit
Jesus,
forever.
that's a big one.
Fred Bear, walk with me down the trails again.
I've never seen that pole bend like that before.
Take me back,
The break.
back where I belong. Oh, Fred Bear, I'm glad to have you at my side, my friend.
We even had a glimpse.
And I'll join you on
Well, it's only 13 feet. I'm thinking,
Oh,
is the drag really loose?
walk with me down
Okay, I'm just curious.
Take me back, back where I belong. Oh, Fred Bear, I'm glad to have you at my side, my friend. And I'll join you in the big hunt before too long. In the wind, he's still alive. In the wind, he's still alive. In the wind, he's still alive.
Pulling the boat backwards.
He's still alive. In the wind, I hear Fred Bear. I hear you, Fred. Talk to me. Yeah.
I feel like everybody's watching right now.
It's all right. Yeah, let's go hunting, baby.
Yeah, this is one of those deals where it's fun once.
Say, Fred,
When you get,
you go up that ridge.
well, it's
Now
exactly
go
this.
down
You
to
know,
the
when you get
swamp.
12 of them,
We'll get
you
that
know,
bucker.
you might as well
It's
just
some
ice
of our
your arm.
teenage
They
thrill
are just
seekers
obviously.
really
feel
want to go out and get a thrill.
don't want to come
Let
off the
them
bottom.
go up into the northwest and tangle with the grizzly
I don't
bear
think
and
he's gonna
polar
break that
bear
line,
and
but
the
you never
brown
know,
bear. They'll get their
Eventually
little
they'll-
cleanse of the soul.
Get 'em up here. Once they come up, you can roll them over and they can kind of just play dead. I don't think we're going to get them in this net that I have. We just want to touch the leader. That counts like sword fishing.
At this point, it's depressing when they make a run.
This is what Sonny Reynolds would say. Right now, Jim's smiling like a corn crib rat. Hello! Tired yet? Because I think you've been doing that kettlebell class stuff.
Yeah, no shit. The time on the treadmill yesterday helped me.
Oh, bubbles. That's good. Get him up here. There he is. No. Coming
Oh
up.
shit, look at that thing.
You got him lassoed.
Oh, there you go. Okay. All right, we got Toby Cavalibog here of LO Outdoors, hooked up with the Sturgeon here. See what comes up. The last one we had was a 52-incher. This thing looks like it's got some shoulders too.
These fish are so tough. I'll tell you what. You just pull, and it doesn't matter how hard you pull. They don't come up till they're ready. This guy's gonna take a little walk.
These things not only have a mind to do what they want, but they also have the muscle.
Legs up there better, I think. Not another fish in fresh water. Minnesota. Hunter? Hunter, I wish you were.
This thing's probably going to be bigger than Hunter. See, the thing you got to understand, folks, is Toby's got heavy equipment, and he's still fighting this thing with all its might. And the Sturgeon is winning. So imagine what it's like if you don't have the right equipment.
Oh my god. Get up here. Holy shit. That's 80 inches.
Oh man. Folks, if you've never been to the Rainy River to do this, you got to give it a whirl sometime.